Hi, I'm Christina Williams with My Craft Channel, and I have a quick and easy project using burlap. Everywhere you look lately, it seems like there are burlap touches, little strips of ribbon, flowers, all kinds of cute things that people are creating with burlap. So I set to work thinking, how could I use up some burlap in a creative way? And I thought about my Xyron Creative Station. It was such a simple process to make this cute layered flower out of 2 different colors of burlap. I ran to the fabric store and they had lots of different colors of burlap. I just grabbed some brown and black this time. I didn't even need very much. I think I bought a 1/4 yard and I have tons left over for other projects. I bought a 1/4 yard of each of them and just cut different sizes of circles, ran them through my Xyron Creative Cutter and layered them to make this flower that you see here. I'm going to grab this monogram that I painted, and I cut a strip of the cream burlap and just wrapped it right around. I actually adhered it down with the Xyron first, and it was very simple to adhere down to the monogram. So you'll see here, these are 4 different sizes of flowers, or circles rather, that I ran through that cutter, or adhesive. All I have to do is lay them down on top of each other. It's super simple to make. So it was super quick and easy for me to create this burlap flower to add to my plain black monogram letter. I encourage you to pick up some burlap from somewhere and run it through your Xyron for another great project.